Introducing the most successful way to make money online: CPA marketing. With CPA marketing, you get paid for generating leads or making sales. It's a win-win for both advertisers and marketers. Are you ready to cash in on this profitable opportunity? CPA stands for cost per action, meaning you earn money every time someone takes a desired action, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. And the best part? You don't need to sell anything yourself. So, how does CPA marketing work? First, you sign up with a CPA network and choose from a wide range of offers from top-notch advertisers. Then, you promote these offers using various marketing strategies, such as social media, email marketing, or even paid advertising. The key to unlocking profitable strategies lies in targeting the right audience. Research your target market, understand their needs, and tailor your promotional campaigns accordingly. By doing so, you'll increase the chances of converting leads into paying customers. Another essential aspect of CPA marketing is tracking. Ensure you use reliable tracking tools to monitor your campaign's performance, including clicks, conversions, and ROI. This data is crucial for optimizing your strategies and maximizing your profits. But everyone wants to know the secret sauce, right? Well, here it is: persistence and continuous testing. Don't give up if your first campaign doesn't yield mind-blowing results. Instead, learn from it, tweak your approach, and keep experimenting until you find the winning formula. And finally, remember that success in CPA marketing is not an overnight journey. It requires dedication, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt along the way. But with the right mindset and consistent implementation, you can unlock the potential of CPA marketing and cash in on its profitable strategies. Thanks for watching this video on cashing in on CPA marketing. We hope you found these strategies insightful. If you want to learn more about making money online, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates.